Hello guys, in this tutorial we will tell you the process of creating your application on Google Play Console. Go to Google Play Console and log into your Google Developer account. If you do not have an account, then create one. Enter your email ID and click on Next. Now enter your password and click on Next. You'll be redirected to the Google Play Console dashboard. Here you can view all of your existing applications. You can view the app name, active installs, Google Play rating, last update, and status of your previous applications. Now click on Create Application and a dialog box will appear. Select the default language from the drop-down menu and enter the title of your app. The title you enter here will be your application name. Once done, click on the Create button to finish creating your app. That's all for now. Please proceed to the next video to complete the process of submitting your app to the Google Play Store.